Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to send message to yourself on a WhatsApp. Let's get started with the easiest method using your phone number as a contact. Make sure your phone number is saved in your contact. At first, open WhatsApp, tap to the chat icon. After that, search for your name. Tap and start messaging. Just start chatting with yourself like a regular conversation. That's it for today's videos, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.